you got there, Ella?
These are Gertie's little puppies.
Gertie's little puppies?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? How many puppies we got down there?
4.
4. Do you have a favorite yet?
I don't know.
Don't know?
They're all really cute.
They're all really cute.
Mm-hmm.
They are getting so big, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
They're bigger than when you came over the other day, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
Particularly that one right there. My goodness.
Pinky?
Yep. That's a big fat Boston puppy.
Like their little back
We're
legs.
hoping that they're just fat and that they're not like little flipper babies or something. But look at that. That's a fat puppy.
That's so funny.
That one's getting lots of milk from Mama.
Oh yeah, they all are very fat.
You haven't picked a favorite yet, Ella? No. Pick one up and show the camera. Which one you got there?
You can tell which ones this is.
Hmm.
This is
Which one is that one, Susan?
Blaze Girl.
Blaze girl, huh? She's got the little blaze going across her white spot. Is that why?
Mm-hmm. It's got Blaze.
Okay.
She's standing in your hand.
Not pooping in your hand, is she?
No, she's got
No.
back feet in her hands.
That's good.
Show him another one.
Yeah, show another one.
See which one? Here's Pinky. No, because Pinky has the pink nose.
That's right. So it's pretty safe to say I don't think Pinky's gonna be a show dog.
No, I think he will.
You think he will?
Cover. Mm-hmm.
It'll cover as he gets older, huh?
Mm-hmm. He's
That's
already
good.
got some black around it. It
That's
just doesn't
good.
have a completely black nose, but it'll cover.
Yeah. Well, we still don't know if he's gonna try to be a show dog or not.
No, we don't.
But he is the only male that we had that has symmetrical markings. So he's the only boy out of the group that has a chance of
Right.
being shown in confirmation. So yeah. Hmm.
They're all really cute.
Yeah, they are.
And this is the best age too because they can't really move, so they can't chase you. See. Remember her name? Buddha Girl? Buddha Girl, that's right.
Why do you call her Buddha Girl, Susan?
She's got a Buddha print. That dot on top of her head is called the Buddha print.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
What does the AKC think about the Buddha print?
That's all right. It ain't
Is that
bad.
right? Okay.
It won't hurt. When you look at them in the sun near the window, it kind of looks like they have that dash of brown on their fur. That's probably a seal black.
Yeah.
Only one of them is a true black. And it's Blaze Girl.
Oh, that's a crying puppy.
I heard a puppy.
That's my boy right there. His name is Beantown Brawler.
We're just
Yeah.
going to call him Beaner.
Hey, Susan, this video is going to go up on Facebook now.
I'm sorry.
It's all good. If anybody gets offended, they could just get over it because offense is never given, it's only taken.
That's right.
That's right.
See, he's really cute.
Mm-hmm. I think he's going to be a little guy like his daddy was.
Probably.
A little stempo.
Yeah.
All right, Ella, say goodbye to everybody. Say goodbye to Grandma Patsy, and everybody else is going to watch the
Bye.
video.